This is my friend Keith, and he's a massive fan of Asus.
I really am not.
This is Keith, and he's an average fan of Asus. And this is the Azoth X. The latest in lineup of Azoth series keyboards from ROG. And by the end of this video, we are going to be giving Keith the Azoth X. And not only that, but upgrading it to his dream keyboard. Alright Keith, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Keith. I'm a full-time photographer. I play badminton.
Alright, Azoth, introduce yourself. Oh wait, it can't. It's a keyboard. It's inanimate. So I'll do the introductions for you. This is the Azoth X. When Asus first launched the original Azoth, it marked a point in the company where they showed off they could listen to consumer feedback. And this Azoth, the Azoth X, although I would say not the biggest of iterations, once again proves that Asus can keep up with trends. But enough stalling, here's what you get with the keyboard. Here's what you get inside the box. A welcome card, the keyboard, manuals and documentation, stickers. Oh my god, yes! Yes, ROG stickers. I love ROG stickers. A wrist rest, the cable, keycap and switch puller, extra switches, and dongle extender. Now, not many people actually know how to use the dongle extender, but basically you should have it on your mouse mat, so when the keyboard runs out of battery, you can just swap the cable from the dongle to the keyboard, saving a USB slot and you scrambling for another USB-C cable. And unfortunately, no lubing kit. No lube this time. So before we give Keith the keyboard, we should go through some important things that you should know about the keyboard. Firstly, and this might trigger a bunch of the guys in the comments, this keyboard is not Hall effect. My best guess onto why Asus did not make this a Hall effect keyboard is probably because they're saving that tech for the Kata, which is a crazy keyboard by the way. I got to try it out at Computex, it's pretty cool. And also because they already have their HFX series of keyboards, so they don't want to cannibalize on their own sales. So the keyboard actually features their brand new NX Snow V2s, which is an improvement of the NX Snow V1. I was a big fan of the first NX Snows, and these just feel smoother and even nicer to type on. You might have noticed that they didn't include the lubing kit from the first one, because the switches now come factory lube. And compared to the first NX Snow V1s, these new NX Snow V2s have an opaque housing with an RGB lens. The PCB also now faces south, making them more compatible with cherry profile keycaps like those expensive GMK sets.
Wait, that's cute! It's GMK!
Oh my god! And you might have noticed the keyboard actually features new pudding keycaps. Gotta be honest, I'm not really a big fan of those. But then again, I've never been a fan of pudding keycaps. I think they look kinda I know a bunch of people are actually fans of pudding keycaps, and these glow really nicely in the dark. So props to them on that, but not my taste. The keyboard also now comes with an FR4 plate. It's really bouncy and nice to type on, and it does dampen the sound of the keyboard, giving it a deeper sounding profile. And finally, let's address one of the biggest things that's happened to this keyboard. Web-based driver. This new web-based driver is called GearLink, and oh my god, this is huge. Like, this coming from Asus it's probably one of the best things that's happened to Asus. You can do almost everything that Armoury Crate used to be able to do, but now without the whole, downloading a driver thing. From macros to keybind settings to just changing the OLED, amazing. Right now, GearLink only supports this keyboard and the Chris 2 Origin. A lot of you may be wondering, why not they just add some of their older products into GearLink? Wouldn't it solve the problem of like downloading extra drivers just for a keyboard? Well, if only it was that simple. I did ask Asus and they are adding some of their new products into GearLink, but some of their older products just don't have the MCU capabilities to support a web-based driver. But I did confirm with Asus, and future products here on out will support GearLink, which is huge. Asus might be the first company of the big three to actually support web-based drivers, and I am here for it. That's crazy. So now that we know what we're working with, let's see what Keith thinks about this keyboard. Thanks. You gonna kiss that too? No.
Welcome to Republic of Gamers. The ROG product is engineered and tested to ensure gaming perfection. It's time to experience mastery on another level. Load up and game on. If I don't clear Spiral Abyss with this keyboard, we got the keyboard itself. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff.
Oh my god! Stick! I knew it!
It's the stickers! Wrist rest. Okay, the rest is all useless.
Thank you.
Okay. I've never seen pudding keycaps that look like this. Like they're covered on the front, but then they're clear on the side. They're not like super smooth or anything, but like if I had to use this keyboard, I wouldn't kill myself. First impressions, I'll give this like a 6 out of 10.
Okay, so clearly Keith doesn't really like the keyboard as of now. So, oh, good catch. So we're gonna be heading out and getting new parts for the keyboard to upgrade it into your dream keyboard.
For free?
Well, yeah, I guess.
Let me get the most expensive
part. Shit. Oh, shit. Alright, get in the car. Alright, we are on our way to Pantheon Keys. I have to pay attention to the road because I am a good driver.
Why is there a car coming straight at us?
Whoa! switches you plan on getting?
I forgot the name of the switches already. But I like tactiles. I've used tactiles for years because I think they're superior. You know what sucks? Hall effect. If someone's at the door, we're gonna be scaring the shit out of them.
I don't think there'll be anyone at the door.
Hi. Hello. Hi.
We're just here to find some like switches and stuff. So
This one.
you can choose any keycaps you want.
Any keycaps?
Yeah.
Wait, that's cute.
This
It's GMK. That's out of our budget. Bro.
No, who said so?
Wait, why? That's squeaking. It's squeaking. Oh my god, it's squeaking.
Have you chosen the keycaps you wanted?
I want the one on the Squid Game keyboard.
So we're settling on the...
This one.
Pro.
They are the Bison Olives.
Okay. So after spending a lot of time finding keys to desire, keycap set, stabilizers, and switches, with the power of friendship and my wallet, oh my god, we teleported back to finish his dream keyboard. So we got the parts. Probably the most expensive parts they have. But yeah, we're gonna be upgrading the Azoth X because Keith doesn't like linears.
Am I supposed to upgrade it?
Yeah?
Look at this. Off camera, I got this.
He's just showing off that he can
Yup.
use Inspect Edit.
In spite of the light ass switch, I can get a higher record than you, man.
Alright, hold this. POV or any Glarus collab that he collabs with, they all time so slowly. Easy work with the Azoth X. I screwed up then. How do I do this?
This is a keyboard YouTuber, by the way.
Keyboard montage! Yay!
I forgot how much I hated doing that. It's been a while.
It's been about like 2 days since I did this.
There we go. That took us like 2 hours. Oh, we should mention we're not changing the stabilizers. They're pretty good. I'm too lazy to change it. Honestly, these are pretty good.
So moving on to the last part of the video.
The most important part, actually.
The priciest part of this video, honestly. Alright, so he's done building a keyboard. What do you think?
It was great. Like, the switches are so much more what I'm used to.
So you think you're gonna type faster than what you typed just now?
Oh yeah, 100%. I'm definitely gonna cross 100.
Oh my god!
I told you! It's a new record! I'm so good at this. This keyboard also partially contributed.
I think it's all the keyboard.
I think it's all the keyboard, actually. I love Asus. Wait, it's actually goated. This keyboard's great. He's gonna try and beat my record, which is impossible because he sucks at it.
Oh!
114. That's pretty.
That's pretty
good. Wait, that's actually higher than what you had before. So you broke a record too.
It's all thanks to the Asus Azoth X.
Oh, it's so sick.
And sick it was because Key's setup got a major upgrade. And it just looks wow. From the keycaps to his own flashy Squid Game logo, and his Genshin gameplay has never looked this good before. Thank you, Asus. If you are Singaporean, you can get 30% off from Shopee if you click the YouTube shopping link, which is pretty cool. Like this video, please. Subscribe.